Welcome back to the flying field. Just doing a bit of practicing and whatnot today, but we're also doing a bit of testing of new props. We're also testing props out where this was props in, and some other throttle bits which I'll put up on the screen in a minute. But yeah, so these are HQ pizza cutters. See what they're about, eh? All good. Turn that on. Turn this on. It's proper windy today, but we will persist in the wind. Got beeps going on all over the shop.
0 volts, low battery, landing, telemetry connected.
Yeah, all good.
Low battery,
Okay,
landing.
let's put you in the normal place, right there, and then we might get some flight of you coming back in. Okay.
Preamp active and
Let's go. Oh, you can see him in the screen. Oh, he's quite quick. Yeah, so we're getting blown around a little bit off course, but that's okay. We'll live to tell the tale. Duck pond dive, anyone? Or fish pond dive, because that is a fish. God, it's like difficult coming back this way. We are practicing those still, the matty flip thing, or whatever it's called. Or juicy flip. No, matty flips this way, isn't it? Like that. But you can see in the trees how windy it is. Our reverse rewind practice has gone to shit, because it's just blowing me over the place, and I haven't flown for a week, so it's pretty much bloody Nora. Yeah, it's showing. I mean, blowing you all over the shop. Coming back one way is difficult. Try and do a dolphin dive. I'm getting just moving all over the shop. See what I mean? Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, how do I find these props? They're quick off the mark. I don't know what the pitch is, but I'll put it up on the screen now. I have found that flying here in the wind, it's better to use a low pitch prop. A, you get better flight time. B, it's like seems to be a bit more consistent in the handling. But that's what I found anyway. And today is a pretty poor choice to use really pitchy props because it's so bloody windy. How's that show there? It's a bit sketchy. No, we're not landing yet. You can probably hear it on the mic how windy it is.
21.3 volts, low battery. 21.2.
Here's our friendly kite.
Battery. 21.2 volts, low battery. 21.2 volts, low battery. 21 volts, low battery. Flight mode. 21.2 volts, low battery.
There we go, and we're down. Trickery in front of us too. Off. What do you think of that? Windy flight. Seems to be the path of the course in England at the moment. It's just windy. But how do I think of these? They're alright, man. How do I think of props out? I'm not sure. I've only flown it twice. I think props in feels faster on the rotations and stuff, but it's one of those things. We shall find out, but we'll fly again soon. Take it easy.